Hi everybody, I'm going to make a knife testing about the Horizon Reate, which is made in China. First, this package is the original package. We'll receive the package. Okay, here is the gift box. And you will see, when you receive the knife, you will see a lot of oil on the surface of the knife, with the blade. Here is the WD-40. You see the oil on the knife. Okay, first of all, we disassemble this knife. You can see the handle is made by titanium, and the blade is made by D2 steel, and the pocket clip made by stainless steel, and the frame lock. Okay, we just disassemble this knife first. Here's our meat. I will cut her meat for testing the blade. Okay. Okay. Open the handle. Be careful. You can see a lot of oil on the knife. All of them is WD-40. Here is the Here is the bearing system. You can see a lot of balls. Put here first, and the blade. Have a look. Of course, there are two sides or bearing system. Here, and the front and the back. And here is the stainless steel to make the frame lock more stronger. And the back spacer is made by titanium too. And the pocket slipper, very nice. And then I will assemble this knife. Just want to look at the structure of the knife. It's very easy. make a lot of knives testing video on my account. I just want you learn about Chinese knives. We have high quality. At the end of the screws work, you should make the blade in the middle. Now it's on the right, and you worked at the screws to keep the blade in the middle. At the middle. A little tie. And you just fix it. Yeah, it's worked well. No? That is middle of the handle. Very flexible. Testing about. Okay. Yeah. It works well. Lock is very nice. The frame lock is very nice. Very flexible. And here is a meat. I'll have a test about it. Okay. Here, I'm cutting the meat here. Oh, my leather desk is always broken. Oh, I will put something under meat next time. But you can see that it's very sharp. And you can have a look at this. No, it's very sharp. As you know, it's D2 steel. Very sharp. You know, just don't cut your finger. Very nice. It's very nice. And how about a paper? Let's testing a paper. Okay. Look at it. Very nice. You will receive a very high quality read horizon, and the cost is including the cost of shipping, and there will be 10 air post, and it will take 5 to 10 days until you receive the package. And if you want to take a shorter time, then tell me first. Tell me through email or on my store online. All worked. And thank you for watching. Thank you.